Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. So today we're going to be doing, this is going to be my second mystery box, so let's do it. I haven't looked at the ingredients at all. A coworker picked it out, so I guess I'll explain the mystery box. So if you've ever watched MasterChef, you kind of know how it works. So I have a limited pantry, which is spices, oil, salt and pepper, right? I got garlic, butter, of course. You always need butter. Yeah, so onions, garlic, butter, flour if we need it. Of course, spices. And the only thing I'm not allowed to use is potatoes. We'll get all the ingredients out and then I have an hour to come up with as many dishes as I want or whatever I want to cook. Okay, so here it goes. I haven't looked at this. I have no idea what's in here. So we got, oh, interesting. All right, so we got beer. This beer, strong beer. So this is like a dark beer. It's totally fine. I can be able to do something with that. I can cook with beer. That's fine. We got, oh, my favorite dressing, honey dill. Definitely do something with that. We got breadcrumbs with Parmesan cheese, seasoned breadcrumbs, Camembert cheese, eggplant, mushy peas. Interesting. Pea praise. It's like, what the f are these called again? Might have to look that one up, but yeah, there's this. Of course, a lemon. Peppers. Old Bay seasoning. Good with fish. Pollock fillets. Yeah, this is challenging. I gotta think. Thinking. I forgot what this is. Maybe that's kind of funny. I'm thinking grilled eggplant with breaded fish, beer. What the f am I gonna do with the mushy peas? What am I going to do with these? I'm not gonna use both of these, so I guess I'm gonna have some strong beer. Local beer from Vancouver. Cool. I gotta stop thinking and start cooking. And your time starts now. So my thought is this beer, it's actually quite good. My first step is the beer, dumping it in a bowl here. Got some pollock fish, all right. I'm soaking it in the beer. We'll call it the mystery root. Yes, pollock is a very nice fish, so no problem with that. And Beaumont's thinking of just a simply grilled eggplant. Nothing fancy there. That's seasoned up nice. Fish soaking in the beer. Well, I could do a beer batter, but I'm thinking, no, I think get it all happy in the beer, and then we're gonna bread it up and season it up. It's a root thing. We'll call it a root thing. Terrible chef forgets what this is. I've seen it before. It almost smells like cabbage. I think it's rutabaga. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. There was a peeler. Where's my peeler? Can't find my peeler. Oh, there it is. Time is, okay. 5 minutes gone. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna boil this, chop this up. Yeah, these take a while to boil, so get that going first. It's time, so I still gotta move. Salt that water. I can mash it. Boil this first. Must have spent 5 minutes looking for my peeler. This rutabaga in the pot or whatever this is. Boil it up. There's my lid. We need fire. Fire. Maximum fire. Good. Eggplant. So I'm going to slice up the eggplant. It's very nice grilled. Just season simply. Get it on the plate. Season it up. Ooh, 47 minutes to go. Cheers. Toss some olive oil on here. Eggplant happy. Frosty crab pepper. Italian seasoning onto Mr. Eggplant. Garlic powder. Onion powder too. Of course, Beaumont's favorite spices. Now I'm going to flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. Oh yeah, boiling away. Under 40 minutes now. Time's flying here. Breading. Old Bay seasoning. Going right into the breadcrumbs. Mixing it all up. There's our breading. Ooh, 38 minutes. Okay. A few more minutes on that. Puree pea thing. Hey, if I can make this taste good, I'll just dump in this pea stuff in here. It's got this pea stuff here. Butter always makes stuff taste better, so I just toss it in with this pea stuff. Fresh cracked pepper. Garlic powder. Onion powder for my mashing up stuff here is done. This pea stuff needs a little cream. Make sure I don't burn anything. Italian seasoning with the peas. Tasty peas. Not bad. Yeah, that'll work. Peas are done. 30 minutes. Wow. Need a strainer. Mashing up this root stuff. All right. Salt, pepper, freshly cracked. Voila. Garlic powder, onion powder. Beautiful. I'm gonna start frying now. Turning on the fire. Avocado oil. Heat up the oil. That's nice and hot. While I'm waiting for the oil to heat up, I'll bread the fish. The beer soaking fish. All right. Bread it up. Here, nice. I could have used flour, but hey, oh, what the heck. Use what's in the box. All right, no problem. Breaded fish. Okay, so we got the fish. Yeah, we've got the eggplant. Getting that in there. Everything's looking good. The fish is looking good. Look, it's bubbling away. It's getting tight. Of course, I'm going to add butter. Can't have fish without butter. Same with the this one. There's bits more oil. Eggplant there. Fish is looking good. Yeah, we're gonna flip the fish. Smelling good. Check the time. 19 minutes to go. I think we're looking pretty good here. Eggplant's looking pretty good. All right. Beaumont's always thinking, doing eggplant 2 ways in the air fryer too. Oh wow, it's very flaky. Oh, looking good there. Nice grilled eggplant. Oh, looking good. Pretty much done there. Fish is done. Kind of waiting for the eggplant. Everything else is looking good. Time for some beer. I guess I'm gonna cut some brie. Camembert cheese. Nothing fancy with this stuff. It's good by itself. So many things you can do with it. You can bake it. Nice cheese though. Cut that cheese. Again, keep watching the time. Nice grilling. Nice grilling. Nice grilling. See, eggplant 2 ways. Air fried and pan fried. Plating happening soon. It's got a little bit of cheese on the plates here. What do we need? A little bit of sauce for the fish. I should put in ramekins. What am I doing? Fancy, huh? Taste of lemon. I'm gonna start plating. A few fried eggplants here. Pan fried ones and 2 air fried ones. For the air fried ones, 2 ways. Eggplant. Now, Mr. Fish. Nice piece of fish there. Okay. Oh, we'll put it near the dip. Looks like some of the breading kind of fell off. Oh no. Pea stuff. This root stuff. No, you can't stop Beaumont, man. That's oh my god, this is like gourmet meal from a mystery box. Ha ha ha. That's easy. Nice. There you have it. And I have 3 minutes left, and I adjusted cameras at the same time, and that was under 1 hour. 3 minutes to go, and bon appetit. So let's give the mystery box a try. See if it's any good. Well, I taste it as I go, so I'm sure it's totally fine. So this is our mystery root. There's pea stuff from a can. Not bad. Still tastes like peas from a can. Give this eggplant a try. I think this is the air fried one. Very nice. Actually, I think the air fried one is really good. They're both really good. Give the fish a try. It's so good. This is like a gourmet mystery box. It's so good. Nice fish. Time's up. Some camembert. Very nice. Well, that was entertaining. Hope you enjoyed the mystery box. Gourmet food in under an hour. I think the only thing that stumped me was this mushy peas thing. It tastes like they still came from a can, but added some flavor and butter and cream and helped them out a little bit, but that's all I can do with that. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya, and get in the comments and create a mystery box for me. I'll make it. Yeah, any suggestions for cooking, get in the comments, let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.